All right, we're visiting this landscape project that we just talked about, and we had talked at length about the drainage part of it.
Right.
But there's another element, the planting element. Why don't you talk about your solution here?
Well, because this bank came down kind of steep, we wanted to create a retaining wall. So we've used the boulders to create kind of a two-leveled planting here, and that reduced the slope quite a bit. So long-term for maintenance and to plant other things in here, it's going to be easier to do.
It's a nice transition between the drainage stones and the planting too.
Right. It kind of softened the edge there a little bit. And with the planting, we really wanted to create a planting that would look good all 4 seasons. So we've got the Weigela in the back, the magnolia, those will bloom very early on, but then we've got the daylilies, some perennials here that bloom a little bit later in the summer.
The Rose of Sharon for summer flower.
Right. And then the grasses, which look good all summer, but then get kind of bronzy and look good through the fall too. And in the front of this bed, we have a type of sedum called Angelina, and it's got that real bright lime green color.
That's a great grower.
It's very vigorous, it spreads quite quickly, and as it grows, it'll kind of come down through the cracks in these boulders and look really neat.
So you've got a multi-season, multi-interest, which is really kind of nice, and it gives you some screening from the patio to the neighbor, just very multifunctional. This whole project was very multifunctional.
Yeah. So as the shrubs in the back kind of grow up and get a little bit taller, they'll create a nice screen from the adjacent patio, kind of blocking out the neighboring property a little bit too.
All right, so if you're looking for some unique solutions to landscape problems that have drainage in too, Liz did a great job on this one.
No, thank you. So thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hotelling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.